A chorus of secrets, the unexpected world of frogs. Have you ever considered a creature that can hold its breath for months, frozen solid in a block of ice, only to thaw in the spring and hop away as if waking from a simple nap? Or perhaps a tiny jewel-like animal whose skin is so astonishingly clear that you can see its heart beating, its lungs breathing, and its last meal digesting. These are not beings from a fantasy tale. They are frogs, and their lives are filled with more wonder and surprise than we can possibly imagine. They are masters of survival, artists of camouflage, and living marvels of evolution, holding secrets that we are only just beginning to understand and appreciate. This journey will take you deep into the secret life of frogs, a world often hidden in plain sight, just beyond the water's edge or beneath a rainforest leaf. So, what exactly is a frog? Frogs are amphibians, a name meaning two lives, which perfectly captures their journey from water to land. They begin as aquatic tadpoles, breathing with gills. Through a profound transformation, they develop lungs and powerful legs for life on the ground. Yet, they are forever tied to water. Their permeable skin must stay moist to absorb oxygen, making damp environments essential for their survival. Their large, protruding eyes are positioned high on their head, giving them a nearly 360-degree field of vision. This allows them to see predators and prey both above and below the water's surface. Then there is the tongue, a tool of breathtaking speed. Attached at the front of its mouth, it can be flicked out with astonishing velocity, its sticky tip ensnaring insects in the blink of an eye. These adaptations have made frogs one of the most successful and diverse groups of vertebrates on the planet, their calls echoing through the humid night air. From the deep, resonant bellow of a bullfrog to the delicate chirp of a tiny rainforest dweller, each song tells a story. It is a story of territory, of courtship, and of life itself, a soundtrack to the planet's wildest places. Prepare to look closer, to listen more carefully. The world of frogs is a miniature drama playing out all around us, in our local ponds and in the most remote jungles on Earth. For the next few moments, we will step into their world. We will learn why they are so fundamentally important to the health of our environment and what their silent struggles can tell us about the state of our own world. This is not just an exploration of an animal, it is an exploration of the interconnectedness of all life and a testament to nature's incredible ingenuity. You will see why they matter so deeply. Frogs are global citizens, having colonized nearly every corner of our world. From lush tropical rainforests and temperate ponds to arid deserts, their adaptability is astounding. The greatest diversity of these amphibians is found in the world's rainforests, from the leaf litter on the forest floor to high in the canopy. But frogs are also our neighbors, living in local parks, marshes, and even our own gardens. The home of a frog is defined by one critical element: water. It's the cradle for their young, with eggs laid in or near water, and tadpoles that are entirely aquatic. Water also provides essential moisture for their delicate, permeable skin. This fundamental need shapes every aspect of a frog's life, from its choice of habitat to its nightly movements. Frogs may be small, but their importance to the health of our planet is immense. They are a critical link in the intricate web of life, playing the dual roles of predator and prey. As voracious predators of insects, they perform an invaluable service. They consume vast quantities of mosquitoes, flies, other invertebrates. This helps control populations that could become pests, damage crops, or spread disease. A healthy frog population is natural pest control, a gift to farmers, a benefit to all of us. Frogs are also vital food for many animals: herons, kingfishers, snakes, lizards, fish, raccoons, otters. The energy frogs gain from insects moves up the food chain when frogs are eaten. The disappearance of frogs would send a catastrophic ripple through the ecosystem, causing declines in animals that depend on them and an uncontrolled surge in insects. They are a cornerstone of the food web. Their most crucial role may be as environmental indicators. Scientists call them indicator species or canaries in the coal mine. Their permeable skin absorbs substances from the environment, making them extremely sensitive to pollution. Contaminants in the water and in the air can quickly harm them. When frogs sicken, develop deformities, or disappear from an area, it's a clear warning that the ecosystem is unhealthy. Their well-being reflects the health of land and water. Declining frog populations are a signal for us. Rivers may be polluted, climate may be changing too rapidly, habitats may be destroyed. Paying attention to frogs is like listening to the Earth's warning system. Their presence means a vibrant, functioning ecosystem. Their absence is a silent alarm bell. The frog world is breathtakingly diverse, with over 7,000 known species, each uniquely adapted to its environment. Tree frogs, acrobats of the amphibian world, use sticky toe pads to cling effortlessly to leaves high in the canopy. Then there are the poison dart frogs, living jewels of the rainforest. Their brilliant colors aren't for show, they advertise potent toxins, a deadly warning to predators. In stark contrast, the American bullfrog is a giant of the pond, a powerful, insatiable predator. Birds and even other, smaller frogs. Their presence is often announced by their distinctive call, a deep, resonant croak that rumbles through the night air, sounding remarkably like the distant moo of a cow. They are the undisputed kings of their freshwater domains, powerful and assertive. Perhaps the most ethereal of all are the glass frogs. Found in the humid cloud forests of the Americas, these small, delicate frogs possess a truly magical quality. While their backs are typically a soft, leafy green to blend in with their surroundings, the skin on their bellies is partially or fully translucent. Holding one in your hand, you can literally see through its skin to the intricate workings within. You can observe the steady beat of its tiny heart, the silver sacs of its lungs, and the coils of its digestive tract. They are a living window into the miracle of biology, a fragile and beautiful testament to nature's boundless creativity. The frog life cycle is a dramatic transformation. It begins with eggs, laid in gelatinous clumps in water. From these hatch aquatic tadpoles. Looking more like fish than frogs, they breathe with gills and swim with a long tail. Then, a miraculous change called metamorphosis begins. The tadpole grows legs as its tail shrinks, its body completely rebuilt for a new life on land as an adult frog. The gills disappear, functioning lungs take their place. The digestive system re-engineers for a diet of insects. Finally, the transformation is complete. A tiny, perfect replica of its parents emerges, an adult frog. It is now an air-breathing carnivore with powerful legs for jumping, and a sticky tongue for catching prey. It may live near the water, or venture further onto land, but it always carries the memory of its aquatic beginnings. Gelatinous egg, gilled tadpole, metamorphosis, leaping adult, a cycle played out for millions of years, a timeless illustration of life conquering two worlds. The superpowers of the amphibian world. Frogs possess abilities that seem like superpowers. Consider the wood frog. As winter arrives, it allows itself to freeze solid. Its heart stops beating and its breathing ceases. A natural antifreeze in its blood protects its vital cells from ice. When spring arrives, the frog thaws, its heart restarts, and within hours, it hops away. They possess enormous webbed feet, far larger than what is needed for swimming. When they leap from a high branch, they spread their toes wide, turning their feet into miniature parachutes. By angling their bodies and their outstretched limbs, they can transform a panicked fall into a controlled glide, steering themselves through the air for distances of 50 feet or more to land safely on another tree, or drift gently onto leaves below. They are the silent green gliders of the jungle canopy. Frogs are also legendary jumpers, true Olympic athletes of the animal kingdom. Their anatomy is perfectly engineered for explosive leaps. Long, powerful hind leg muscles, specialized bone structures, elastic tendons. A single frog can easily jump a distance of more than 20 times its own body length. For a human, this would be the equivalent of leaping over a 5-story building in a single bound. This incredible ability is their primary means of escaping from predators and a highly effective way to ambush their own fast-moving prey. For all their remarkable resilience, frogs are now facing a crisis. As indicator species, their decline is a dire warning for the health of the entire planet. The threats are numerous, but one of the most significant is habitat loss. We are draining wetlands and clearing forests, fragmenting the homes they depend on for survival. Their homes are disappearing from under their webbed feet. Frogs face insidious threats. Their permeable skin acts like a sponge, absorbing pollutants from pesticides and industrial waste. This can cause deformities and compromise their immune systems. A deadly chytrid fungus has also swept the planet, wiping out entire populations. Climate change exacerbates these threats, causing droughts that dry up the very ponds they need to survive. The frog's tale is one of wonder, resilience, and transformation. They are the barometers of our planet's health, a vital thread in the fabric of their ecosystems. Their fate is a reflection of our own. The silence falling over our world's ponds does not have to be permanent. Their chorus is a sound worth protecting. To continue exploring the wonders of wildlife, subscribe to Animal Observatory. The call of a frog is more than just a simple croak. It's a sign that life is persisting, that the ecosystem is healthy, and that there is still hope. These incredible amphibians are nature's small giants, reflecting the beauty of a balanced world. By understanding these vital creatures, we not only appreciate the wonders of the animal kingdom, but also the delicate health of our planet. To continue exploring amazing wildlife facts, subscribe to Animal Observatory.